Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Go to menu, enter Google Assistant and enter voice match. Now enable OK Google function, tap next, agree, continue, and now let's try it out. OK Google, hey Google, sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, it can happen that you'll have to add voice permission to the app. Now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Enable this function, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 4 and a low of -1.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.